there were a lot of good buys made last year. From our trading office to our training center. We also had to say goodbye to real human interaction amongst our peers. But then we realized that we still had what mattered most: our people. Distance and new communication channels could not change or take away the essentials of our business. We have our analysts who understood more than just economics, market drivers, and the value of companies, but how to turn them into profitable ideas.
Why somehow 2 days from now or maybe a week from now, suddenly everybody's selling at a much lower price? It doesn't really seem rational, right? And the reason is really just the distinction between value and price.
Pretty sure like this year, $2.5 billion outflow. I mean, for the past 3 years, outflows tayo. So that could possibly reverse, especially now that US dollar is weakening and oil are the bottom of the economic cycle.
I can show you the sales growth and net margins, and it's irrelevant. The reason is because this is still a company that is not yet in operation until there is actual drilling in that place. And so all these numbers you will have to ignore, and the market is just focused on news flow that's driving the potential.
We have our certified equity traders who have consistently outperformed local and global markets year after year, while generously continuing to share their strategies and approach to stocks in play.
It's not listed in the MSCI or FTSE or even the PSEI, and that's just inevitable. And we'll see. And the only thing stopping it from going up probably is sentiment. But once we see risk-on action moving forward, then we'll probably see this go up higher.
So I was looking just to swing trade it, but when after 2 days it gave the 11% to 14% return, I just scalped it. Okay, so my expectation was just to sell on surges and to buy again on support.
You know, guys, it's been a difficult year, so I have to tell you that I will be postponing all gift giving this Christmas, and all, even my Noche Buena, I'll be canceling it. Please ask why.
Why? Sorry.
Bakit?
Guys, ano ba? Listen to the script. Why?
Maka-joke. Because I will deploy the money, everything in this stock.
We have our alumni members who trained with us, grew with us, and are now the ones educating us about the new, fresh opportunities that this ever-changing market has to offer.
So my stock pick is Compass Waste. So this company is dedicated to accelerate patient access to evidence-based innovation in mental health care.
Since this year, it's rallied roughly 300–400%. I still think that there's room for more. I think there's room for more, and here's why.
This is my pick for 2021 because there's a lot of interesting things that are happening in the sector and in the company itself.
It still remains that we have a venue to teach and share the intensive and concise trading programs that Caylum has been renowned for. And most of all, we still have you, a community of traders, both new and experienced, finally gathered into one social space where anyone is free to ask questions and they can be assured of a well-informed response by a qualified trading coach. It is a safe, moderated forum where actionable stock picks are given, views and thoughts on the market are exchanged, and conversation is respectful, open-minded, and professional. We have prided ourselves on building an organization fit for anyone serious in their commitment to the best form of trading education available in the country. Various people all around the world are what have made up the foundation of Caylum and will continue to hold it strong no matter what the uncertain future may bring. So let's move on, move forward, and make way for better days ahead. And we do it together.